Sir, what is the biggest cybersecurity threat company are facing today? You won't believe if I'm going to tell you. That is again the human awareness. Why human awareness? Because first thing is, see, most of the attack, like why we call for being a hacker, the most important and very important skills is human awareness, like social engineering. Why social engineering is important? Because see, if I want to target Guru, if I want to target a company where Guru is working, then probably I'll just going to send something, some malware, something that I'm going to send with Guru. But I need to decide how I can send. If I'm going to say send on WhatsApp, then probably Guru is cyber aware. He is not going to click on that specific part. But the way that I'm going to send, how I'm going to manipulate a Guru, that depends actually. So that is the biggest concern right now, and that is the biggest cyber security threat companies facing, which is again phishing attack. Because of phishing attack only, most of the ransomware attack and everything works. Not updating software is the secondary thing, but primary is like phishing attack is the primary, which is mostly because of that company is facing cyber attack. For example, if I create a web page, right? If I'll keep the name G00gle.com, let's say admin ID google.com. By the way, this is not going to work 00 because company have already done some sort of changes, right? So if I send like you have got selected in a company Google, right? You are having a position of network security head. Then probably you'll see it's a scam. But if I'll just add a button, if you feel like it's a scam, like if you try to apply, then click on this button. And if you feel like it's a scam, just click on this button. Then probably when I'm going to click on this button, then probably something which is going to execute from this button, which is no one is imagining, right? You are going to click there. Probably you'll get a form from there. When you fill everything, then there might be some at the time of submission there might be some, like I'll tell you need to just install this software. Because of that, from there you can fill out the feedback. This is how like human social engineering, the biggest thing that is concerning till now.